Now since I'm done with her statue, it's time to paint her. Welcome back to Billy's Hobbies. Today I'm painting St. Celestine in her Gemini Sappheiros. I'm actually really excited for this one. I've gotten a few ideas I want to try out, and I think will really make her pop compared to the rest of my arm. So let's take a few minutes to go over a battle plan. I want to paint St. Celestine completely different from the Geminis. I'm thinking a white base coat followed by gold. Not skull crusted brass, but Tester's gloss gold. I think that gloss finish will give her a more angelic look. For the Geminis, I'm starting with brown, then dry brushing brass over them. I'll work in the details after that, and since both Geminis look exactly the same, I feel a little basic. I'm painting one of them white and the other one red, with the colors inverted between the two. I think there's a little bit more great approach with them. This is a good point to start adding detail. Let's hit the trim with some silver.
Living Saint, Celestine. Hallowed be her name. We're finally getting you to do something without black in it.
Yeah, I got some inspiration after doing her statue.
Well, it's given me some inspiration for me to do the thing. Hi all, I am Sparky, and if you enjoy building using a color other than black,
Hey now.
then you should like, comment, and subscribe. Ah, sweet, I get to insult you and still get rewarded.
Some light teasing never hurt. I'll see you later, Sparky. Okay, let's get back to work. Now, with Mephisto red, we're starting with St. Celestine. For the wings, I'm putting down a layer of gloss white, then adding some turbo dork blue and a little bit of clear blue over that. The Games Workshop preview images have the blue highlights coming from the end of the wings, but I saw this image of the energy coming from the center of the wings. I like that a little bit more, so we're going with that today. Next, I'm breaking out the Musu Black and applying it to the joints of her armor, focusing on the brighter areas to add contrast. finish it off with a wash. And look at them. The brighter colors and the gloss finish on Celestine gives her a holy glow that really draws your eyes, while the Gemini superiors blend in with the rest of the army thanks to the matte finish. I'm really happy how she turned out. She's definitely the centerpiece of my army. And I hope everyone else's projects are going well, and I'll see you next time.